Hey, God bless everyone. Let's get into the verse of the video. Today's verse comes from the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9, and it reads, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened, and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." Amen. All right, today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for a frike, chickpea, and herb salad, which I made a conversion on the frike. I substituted that for quinoa. And also, the recipe I'm going to give you is a conversion for 24 servings. So if you need to add or subtract, you got to do the math on that. So here we go. Let me show you the ingredients. Here we got the quinoa. We got the finely chopped parsley. We got the chiffonade mint leaves. We got the finely diced celery. The chiffonade celery leaves. We got the finely chopped scallions, the drained and rinsed chickpeas, the freshly squeezed lemon juice. This is what I use for the ground cumin. This is what I use for the salt. And this is what I use for the 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil. So this is what your dish would look like before mixing it. And this is what the overall dish looks like. So let's give it a try. All right, so overall flavor profile, it's very fresh. It's got a nice bite. First things first, you get a nice hint of the mint, and then the chickpea with the softness and the creaminess. And then towards the end, you get a slight lemon hint with a little bit of the salt hint. So for me, this is great for a summer gathering. Instead of taking the very popular macaroni salad or potato salad, you can take this dish right here, which is a little bit more healthy and something fresh to eat. It's just another option. I'm happy with the overall outcome. I've made this dish before, and that's why I chose to do it again and provide this information for you guys. If you guys try it, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think about the overall taste for yourself. And don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, and hit that like button. And thank you for your time, brothers and sisters. God bless.